Hello, welcome to my channel SM English Hub. In this video, we will learn about noun. So what is noun? A noun is the name of a place, person, thing or idea. Example: Ram, Delhi, table, happiness, courage. Kinds of noun. First, proper noun. Second, common noun. Third, collective noun. Fourth, abstract noun. Fifth, material noun. Sixth, concrete noun. Countable noun. 8. Uncountable noun. 9. Compound noun. First, let's start with proper noun. A proper noun is the name of specific person, place, thing. It always begins with capital letter, no matter where it is appearing in a sentence. Key features. First, refers to unique name. Second, always capitalized. Example: India, Rahul, Taj Mahal, etc. Now let us learn about common noun. A common noun is general, non-specific name of a person, place, thing or idea. Example: book, car, laptop, apple. Idea: happiness, freedom, love. Collective noun. Definition: a collective noun is a single word used to name a group of people, animals or things. Example by categories are people, army, a group of soldiers, choir, a group of singers, class, a group of students, team, a group of players. Let's take some example from animal. Flock, a group of birds or sheep. School, a group of fish. Pride, a group of lions. Swarm, a group of bees. Pack, a group of wolves. Let's take some example from things. Range, a series of mountains. Bouquet, a collection of flowers. Fleet, a group of ships. Constellation, a cluster of stars. Grammatical rule: because collective nouns represents a group as a single entity, they are generally treated as singular and paired with singular verbs. Let us take a sentence. The team is practicing for the big game. Here we are using team. Incorrect will be the team are practicing for the big game. However, if the members of group are acting as individual, doing separate things, the collective noun can be treated as plural. Example, the team are putting on their helmets. Now let us learn what's an abstract noun. Definition. An abstract noun is the name of some things that can only be thought or felt but can't be touched. Common categories: emotions and feelings like happiness, love, fear, anger. Character and qualities like honesty, courage, loyalty, wisdom. States of being like childhood, sleep, poverty, chaos, peace. Concepts and ideas like freedom, justice, success, truth. Let us take some examples in sentences. Honesty is the best policy. Here, honesty is an abstract noun. The country fought hard for its freedom. Here, freedom is an abstract noun. Now let us learn about material noun. Definition. A material noun is a noun that can be measured or weighed but cannot be counted. Common examples are wood, gold, cotton, water, air, sand. Man-made material nouns: plastic, glass, steel, paper, cement. Important rules: no article. Do not use indefinite articles like a or an with uncountable material nouns. Example, say wood is strong, not a wood is strong. Definite article. You can use the if the noun is specifically defined. Example, the gold in the ring is high quality. Now let us learn about countable noun. Definition. A countable noun is a word that represents something that can be individually counted. It has both singular and plural forms and can be preceded by numbers or indefinite articles like a or an. Key characteristics: singular and plural forms. They can be singular, example dog, apple, or plural, example dogs, apples. Articles and numbers. They can be preceded by exact numbers 1, 10, or articles a and the. If you find the video informative, like, comment and subscribe so that you don't miss the next video. From which city are you watching this video? Comment me. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.